Now today, the last part of the trigonometry I am explaining and carefully go through all the sums over here. The most important sums I am explaining. The first one is the first sum, first bit, that is a 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. Now we have to convert all these terms. 1 plus tan theta I am converting into sin theta by cos theta. Here cosecant theta I am converting as 1 by cos theta. I convert tan theta sin by cos theta to secant theta 1 by cos theta. Now thereafter 1 plus I am converting cot theta, that is cos theta by sin theta. Here cosecant theta I am converting as 1 by sin theta. So now it is the time for to take LCM for this one. Here LCM will be cos theta. Here 1 by 1 will come. Cos theta by 1 into 1 will get cos theta. Now cos theta by cos theta 1 will come. 1 into sin theta is a sin theta. Then cos theta by cos theta is 1. 1 into 1, 1 here. So LCM is over here. And same LCM here we will take. Sin theta is LCM here. Here 1 by 1. Sin theta by 1, sin theta. Sin theta into 1, sin theta. Plus sin theta by sin theta, 1 will come. 1 into cos theta. Minus sin theta by sin theta is 1. 1 into 1, 1. Now here, one interesting concept you have to take. Sin theta plus cos theta, I am considering as A. Sin theta plus cos theta is equals to A. And then this one is equals to B. This one is equals to B. Once again, the sin theta plus cos theta, I am considering as A plus 1 is a B. A plus B term here. Here sin theta by cos theta is A minus B. B is a 1 here. So A plus B, A minus B. A plus B into A minus B, you will get A square minus B square. Once again, A plus B into A minus B, you will get A square minus B square. So here A is sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta here. That is whole square. That is the A. What is the B here? 1. 1 is the B. A square minus B square. That is the format we got. And the denominators will be sin theta into cos theta. Now again this is undergoing further expansion. Why? Because this A is almost all A plus B whole square. So we are considering this one as sin square theta A square plus B square plus 2AB plus 2AB, 2 sin theta into cos theta. This is the expansion form of this one, sin theta plus cos theta, A square plus B square plus 2AB, and here is minus 1 by denominator is as usual sin theta into cos theta. According to identity number 1, this is sin square theta and cos square theta should be considered as 1. So here 1 plus 2 sin theta and cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Now plus 1 minus 1 cancel here, and what you are going to get? Left over is 2 sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. So sin theta cos theta is going to be cancelled and 2 will be the final answer. Once again you see we are converting here. Conversion is over. Then LCM. Then A is considered as sin theta plus cos theta. This once again going to be in the form of a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and 1 cancel. And here identity 1 we are using here in this place of sin square theta plus cos square theta. Identity number 1. In this place I am replacing 1. So remaining 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 is there. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Left over is 2 sin theta and cos theta. Note down clearly. Step 1, step 2, step 3. The a plus b expansion. This is replacing by identity. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Left over is 2 sin theta and cos theta. Sin theta and cos theta both are going to get cancelled. Left over is 2. Next, one more sum here. Second sum, show that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equals to 1 minus cosecant theta cos theta 1 plus cos theta. Here most interesting is asking to convert this form into 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta. So first of all again we have to go for conversion point of view. Here we are converting the cosecant theta into 1 by sin theta. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. Now whole square will be as is. Here once again you see cosecant theta I am converting into 1 by sin theta minus cot theta I am converting into cos theta by sin theta. LCM is sin theta here. Sin theta by sin theta 1 into 1. Sin theta by sin theta is 1 into cos theta. So again whole square. Now next is I am separating this one 1 minus cos square theta 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. Here now this one 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. So now according to identity number 1 sin theta is nothing but sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta. So this one we can consider as 1 square cos square theta. That means a square minus b square format point of view here. This one we can write as 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. So this is the most important thing to be remembered. Now this is the denominator what I checked here. Now again you take the numerator, you convert this one as 1 minus cos theta 1 minus cos theta because it is a 1 minus cos theta whole square. Now down sin square theta I am converting this form 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta going to get cancelled. The leftover is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. I am explaining this one. I am converting first. Conversion is over. I am taking the LCM. LCM is also over. And squares are separating here. Separating the squares for 1 minus cos theta, separate square. And sin square theta, separate square. And sin square theta I am writing as 1 minus cos square theta. It is nothing but 1 square minus cos square theta. I can write as a plus b, a minus b. And so I am applying in the place of sin square theta. 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta cancel. You will get same as is. Next, third sum. Show that 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A under root 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A is asking to convert as sin A plus tan A. You have to show that 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A, you have to convert into sin A plus tan A. That is our, here secant A. Secant A. The question is secant A plus tan A. Now, the first step is here. We have to, whenever we got similar denominator and numerator, when the signs are different, we have to go for rationalization. Here we have to go for rationalization, that is called rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. That meaning is, I will tell you now, denominator. Here denominator is 1 minus sin A. Denominator is 1 minus sin A. I have to take rationalize means opposite sign you have to take it. 1 plus sin A. Both you have to take this 1 plus sin A and multiply on the either side. So now I am taking this one 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A, rationalizing on the both the sides with the denominator. Denominator what sign is having? Opposite sign you have to take. Into what is the opposite side? 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A both the sides. You have to multiply with the denominator also. So 1 plus sin A. Now the next step is we have to go to that one. 1 plus sin A whole square under root 1 square minus sin square A. Why? Because this is what we call 1a minus b and a plus b concept here. A minus b means 1 minus sin A is a minus b, 1 plus sin A is a plus b. A minus b into a plus b will get a square minus b square. So now a square minus b square, whenever you got concept here, you will keep as it is 1 plus sin A sin A whole square by 1 square, that means 1 square is nothing but 1 when I say, and sin square A. Now this is under root as it is. See here, check here, 1 plus sin A kept as it is, but down is a 1 square minus sin square A, I converted as 1 minus sin square A. This is according to identity point of view, 1 plus sin A whole square, I am converting as cos square A. Cos square A. So now this cos square A, further next step, this is under root. Now I am removing the root here. You lose all the space here. When I remove the root, you lose all the space. Then what will left over here? 1 plus sin A by cos A. Here this is the final thing, but we have to get secant A plus tan A here. How to get means, just one more step I will go through here. This cos A belongs to 1, this cos A belongs to sin also. So now 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. So 1 plus cos A is nothing but secant A, and sin A by cos A is nothing but tan A. So whatever we got, we can check here. 1 plus tan A is nothing but secant A plus sin A by cos A is nothing but tan A. So the final solution. Now we'll go for that another sum number 4 here. Show that 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1. You have to convert this one into tan square A. That is here you see 1 minus tan square A by cot square A, have to convert into tan square A. First of all, you have to go to the conversions. 1 minus tan square A I am converting as sin square A by cos square A. Now denominator also I am converting. Cot square I am converting as cos square A by sin square A, and minus 1 will be as is. Now we have to take the LCM for both this numerator and denominator. If we are taking LCM, cos square A is LCM, 1 by 1 you will get it here. Cos square A by 1, cos square into 1, cos square A. Now cos square A by cos square A, 1 will come, 1 minus sin square A. Now after LCM we got cos square A minus sin square A by cos square A. Now we are taking the LCM for the denominator also. The LCM for denominator is sin square A. Sin square A by sin square A, you will get into 1 and 1 into the cos square A minus here 1 sin square by 1 sin square A, sin square into 1 sin square A. Now this one we got. The next step is this total thing is numerator, this total thing is denominator. Now we will go for reciprocal of this one. That means cos square A minus sin square A by cos square A. This will be into reciprocal form sin square A by cos square A minus sin square A. Now cos square A, sin square A going to be get cancelled. Left over is sin square A by cos square A. Sin square A, cos square A according to the conversion formula tan square A. So whatever we want, we got here. You can check here. First I converted tan, I converted 40 here. I taken LCM for is both, and in the reciprocal formation, I finally got sin square A by cos square A is equals to tan square A. Now sum number 5, sum number where we can go to that one. Show that here 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. You have to show this one into tan theta into sin theta. You have to show this one as tan theta and sin theta. Here check once clearly. 1 minus cos theta, 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. You have to convert as tan theta into sin theta. How it will be mean? First of all, you have to go for LCM. Because of fraction form, you have to go for LCM. LCM is cos theta. Cos theta by cos theta, you will get 1 into 1, 1 only. Here, denominator is 1. Here, cos theta by 1, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. We got cos square theta here. So now, what is the next thing is, and we have to go, the thing is, according to the identity number 1, sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So, denominator I am converting as a sin square theta. Now it became sin square theta by cos square theta, cos theta. Now, sin square theta I can write as sin theta into sin theta, and then the cos theta I am keeping denominator for first one. So sin theta by cos theta I got as tan theta, and into sin theta. So whatever we got, we got here. Now this is the most important sum here. If cos theta, this is the 10th sum of the 11.4, cos theta plus, cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to k, is considering the value as a k. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to k, then prove that one, k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 is equals to cos theta. Finally we have to prove like that. So in the place of k, I will put cosecant theta plus cot theta. Why? Because we already told that one, and that is the whole square minus 1. Check clearly, in the place of k, I am using the k value, cosecant theta plus cot theta, whole square minus 1. Now, the second one, cosecant theta, again k placement, plus cot theta, whole square plus 1. Again, this is this cosecant theta plus cos theta, it became a plus b whole square, and so now we have to expand this one. Cosecant square theta, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 cosecant theta into cot theta. So a square plus b square, 2ab is there over, minus 1 as this will be left over, by down also cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta plus 1. So now, what is the next step means? We have to go, we have to convert the first a square, here we have to convert b square. That is the two changes. Technically you have to understand. In the numerator, first a square you change the conversion form. In the denominator you go for conversion form of the b square. So now a square means 1 plus, according to identity number 3. According to identity number 3, cosecant square theta. That means cosecant square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Check here, cosecant theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So in that place I am keeping 1 plus cot square theta. Then I keep keeping as it is cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta minus 1 by, in the numerator I change only the cosecant square theta. In that place I use the cosecant square theta value, that is nothing but 1 plus cot square theta. So now here minus 1 plus 1 got cancelled. Down I am changing as cosecant square theta, I am keeping as usual, but I am taking the form of cot square theta. Cot square theta is nothing but cosecant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus 1 plus, here in the place of cot square theta I kept the cosecant square theta minus 1 and plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta plus 1. So here you can see carefully, here minus 1, here plus 1 going to be get cancelled, and the next step is you carefully check here. In this case, after cancellation, here cot square theta you are having cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta is left over. That means cot square theta means, here you can say next one, 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta, 2 cosecant theta into cot theta by, here again cosecant square theta 2 times we are having, you are making double of it, 2 cosecant square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta. So now here I am going to take this 2 cot theta as a common. 2 cot theta common in the sense 2 cot theta bracket cosecant theta into cot theta by, numerator I am taking as 2 cosecant theta as a common. So now here inside is 2 cosecant theta cot theta. Check here. Here once again I am explaining this one. 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta, 2 cosecant square theta plus 2 cot theta into cot theta. In this cot theta is repeated, here cosecant theta is repeated. So 2 cot theta I am taking as common. Here 2 cosecant, down is 2 cosecant theta I am taking as a common. So here 2 cot theta into cosecant theta I will get as it is 2 cot square theta here into 2 cosecant theta cot theta. Now these both are going to get cancelled. Cosecant theta into cot theta, cosecant theta into cot theta going to be get cancelled. Left over is 2 cot theta by 2 cosecant theta. This is left over. 2 going to be get cancelled. Now again here I am converting cot theta into cos theta by cot theta I am converting as cos theta by sin theta, and cosecant theta I am converting as 1 by sin theta. So here sin theta are going to be get cancelled. Left over is cosecant theta. Finally we have to prove this is the cosecant theta is the final answer for that. Now I will repeat once again. First of all, I kept the k value here, k square here, and expanded in the form of a plus b whole square. That means a square plus b square 2ab minus 1. Here also a plus b whole square. So here after that a plus b whole square, The first a square I am converting. Conversion formula of a square is 1 plus cos square theta. Here I am converting the b square, and b square conversion form is cosecant square whole theta. Now 1 going to be get cancelled in the both, and here cot square is 2 times, here cosecant square is 2 times. That first 2 cot square, 2 cosecant square is got, and 2 cosecant theta cot theta. Now 2 cot theta, 2 cosecant theta I am taking as a common, and here in the bracket cosecant theta into cot theta, cosecant theta cot theta. Both are going to get cancelled. Left over is 2 cot theta by 2 cosecant theta. 2 to cancel, and cot theta I am converting as cos theta by sin theta, cosecant theta I am converting as 1 by sin theta. Sin theta cancel, cosecant theta is the final solution for it. I hope so. You will come most interestingly in the next topics, next chapters, in next even subjects also. Evening I am coming with important physics chapters, bio chapters, and English good grammar in every Sunday 2 p.m. and daily in a few days I am starting even live classes, even 5:30 also regularly for different subjects. I think you will enjoy and you will get the good future by listening the future knowledge bank classes. Thank you for watching.
And